Hello everyone, it's me Angel and thank you for watching my channel. Welcome to another brand new video, and for this video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. Yes, unboxing. So I have the box here. Yay! So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see more of my videos. So let's get started. I ordered these items on their website at 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒.com. Here it is. This is not a sponsored video, I'm just telling you. So I'm just waiting for whenever they have a sale, because you know I'm very cheap. I don't buy full price. I'm so excited to open it here. What's in here? So let me open it. Very sealed. By the way, Lucas is sleeping next door, so my voice is not really loud this time. Look at the packaging. It's doubled. So Huda Beauty is a Dubai brand. If you haven't know her yet, she is an empire in beauty industry. Visit her Instagram. She is very big, guys. This is my first time to purchase Huda Beauty. 2 years back, I'm busy for being a mom to Lucas, and just now I got back into this makeup, so I'm keeping an eye on the sale of the makeup brands that I really like to try. Oh! Dun, 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 dun. See it together! Look at this box. Hey guys, let's open. Look at the packaging. I love this bubble wrap. It is so satisfying, guys. Comment down below who is like me to pop these bubbles. Wow! So I have here Huda Beauty just opened skincare, so she sent samples. Actually, I want to order this one. It's a facial scrub. Wow! I am dying to try this. I'm gonna be doing makeup reviews, so stay tuned for that video. So here it is. This is the first one, and the second one is eyeshadow. It's mini because I have one with James Charles and it's very big. So not very big, but it's not really pocket size, so this I could put anywhere on my bag or in my pocket while on travel. I never expect this small. I was expecting like bigger than this. And next is Huda Beauty primer, because I really want to invest myself on a very good primer. So I guess hopefully this one really suitable for my skin. And that's it, guys. It's empty. So I only ordered 3 products. That includes a free shipping. So here it is. Wow. So guys, that's it. I'm not gonna open this one because I'm making a review. So stay tuned for that. And then that's it. I'm so happy to see this. I'm gonna open it for the next one. Okay, there you have it, everyone. My unboxing for Huda Beauty. It's my first purchase, and I'm really happy and would like to try it soon. So stay tuned for that, and hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up. And that's it for this video. See you in my next one. Bye!